Pull Electric Utilities app. The pros, the cons. Managing your electricity account used to be a chore, but the Pull Electric Utilities app promises a seamless experience for tracking usage and paying bills. But does it really make life easier? One major pro is real-time account management. Most people get this wrong by assuming utility apps only show monthly bills. With Pull Electric, you can view current usage, monitor past consumption patterns, and even forecast your monthly bill. This helps you identify peak usage periods and make energy-saving adjustments. Another advantage is bill payment and alerts. The app allows you to pay bills instantly, schedule recurring payments, and receive push notifications for due dates or unusual spikes in usage. This is perfect for avoiding late fees and staying informed about your energy consumption. However, there are cons. Some users report that the app can be slow to update after payments, and the interface may feel clunky compared to modern banking apps. Additionally, outage notifications and service alerts sometimes lag, which can be frustrating during severe weather events. In conclusion, the Pull Electric Utilities app is a useful tool for monitoring energy usage and managing payments conveniently. The surprising truth is that while it provides essential functionality, it's not flawless, especially when it comes to speed and real-time alerts. For homeowners or renters who want to stay on top of their electricity consumption, the Pull app offers a straightforward way to track usage, pay bills, and reduce energy costs. Pairing it with careful monitoring ensures you get the most from its features.